Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at a car that's been a household name for decades. A car that's earned trust across generations, and now it's back with sharper styling, smarter tech, and a more refined drive. This is the 2026 Honda Accord. And it's not just an update, it's a bold evolution of one of the most iconic midsize sedans in automotive history. From the outside, the 2026 Accord brings a new level of sophistication. The design has matured into something cleaner, sleeker, and undeniably premium. The front end features a more upright nose with a reworked grille that's wider and more refined, flanked by razor-thin LED headlights that stretch into the fenders. The new lighting signature looks modern and sharp, and it's complemented by a smooth lower bumper that emphasizes width and presence without being overly aggressive. Moving down the side, the Accord's profile remains low and sporty, but with a more elegant flow. A crisp shoulder line runs from the headlights all the way to the taillights, giving it a sense of motion even at a standstill. The door handles are now flush-mounted on higher trims, and the wheel designs range from clean 17-inch alloys to striking 19-inch machined-finish rims. It's a mid-size sedan, yes, but visually it's punching above its weight, almost flirting with entry-level luxury. The back, the design stays clean and aerodynamic. The full-width LED taillight bar ties both ends of the car together, with the Honda badge sitting proudly in the center. A subtle spoiler lip on the trunk gives it a sporty edge, and the bumper is smoothed out with integrated reflectors and hidden exhaust outlets. It's less about flash, more about form, and the result is one of the best-looking Accords in recent memory. Stepping inside, the Accord continues to impress. The interior has been completely rethought to prioritize simplicity, tech, and comfort. The dash is sleek and linear with a metallic honeycomb strip that hides the air vents and stretches the cabin's width. It's a clean, modern look that feels both high-end and functional. The materials have taken a big step up too, with soft-touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and available wood or metal trim depending on the model. Front and center is a new 12.3-inch touchscreen on most trims, bright, fast, and finally running Honda's improved infotainment system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and there's a new Google built-in option on top trims that lets you use Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store natively. A digital instrument cluster comes standard, and the redesigned center console is cleaner with more usable storage. Comfort is excellent. The seats have improved support for long drives, and dual-zone climate control is standard. Higher trims offer ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, a 12-speaker Bose audio system, and even ambient lighting. Rear seat legroom remains best in class, and trunk space is unchanged, still generous and practical, perfect for families or daily commuters under the hood. Honda has simplified the powertrain lineup for 2026. The base trims come with a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder making 192 horsepower. Paired with a CVT, it's efficient and smooth, ideal for everyday driving. But the real star is the hybrid, and it's no longer just an option. The Accord now leans heavily on hybrid power in the higher trims, pairing a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with dual electric motors for a combined output of 204 horsepower. The hybrid system has been refined to deliver stronger torque, better fuel economy, and smoother transitions between gas and electric. It doesn't feel buzzy or disconnected like some competitors. Instead, acceleration is linear, quiet, and more responsive than you'd expect. Whether you're in the city or cruising on the highway, the Accord Hybrid just feels balanced. On the road, the Accord maintains its reputation for a composed, confident ride. Steering is accurate, visibility is excellent, and the suspension strikes a nice balance between comfort and handling. It soaks up rough roads without feeling floaty, and there's a sense of precision in every turn. It may not be a sports sedan, but it's enjoyable to drive, and that's something many rivals struggle to match. Fuel economy is one of the strongest selling points. The turbo model gets around 31 mpg combined, while the hybrid can reach up to 48 mpg in mixed driving, depending on trim and driving style. That makes the Accord one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its class, without compromising space or comfort. When it comes to safety, Honda includes its full Honda Sensing suite as standard. That means adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, collision mitigation braking, and more are all included, not locked behind expensive packages. Parking sensors, a rear cross-traffic monitor, and a 360-degree camera are also available on higher trims for added peace of mind. Pricing starts at around $28,000 for the base 60 trim and rises to about $38,000 for the touring hybrid with all the bells and whistles. It's priced competitively, undercutting many rivals like the Toyota Camry XSE Hybrid and Hyundai Sonata Limited, while offering a better driving experience and more interior space. So who is this car really for? The 2026 Accord is for people who want smart value without sacrificing style or tech. It's for commuters, small families, and drivers who just want something that feels good every single day. The hybrid version is especially appealing for those looking to save money at the pump without going full AIV, and with Honda's reputation for reliability and resale value, it's a safe investment in every sense. Thanks for joining us for this in-depth look at the 2026 Honda Accord. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below with your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more detailed car reviews and real-world impressions coming soon. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious. And remember, not all hybrids are created equal, but this one might just be the best in its class.